Meaning of dominion.
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 Dominion. The word dominion refers to a state of being in control of something, typically land or a territory. It implies a sense of authority, power, and sovereignty over a particular domain. When a person or entity has dominion over a territory, they can make decisions that affect the inhabitants and resources within it. This can result in either positive or negative outcomes depending on how responsibly the dominion is exercised. Ultimately, dominion implies a responsibility to manage and care for what is under one's control.